How to update personal information in your region's bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your contact info with Regions Bank, well here is how you can do it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search results, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, you can just click on your profile icon or go to the account settings from the dashboard. And after that, you simply have to select personal information to update details like your address, phone number or email. And there you simply have to edit the fields you need to change. And after that, you can double check for accuracy and once done you can just click save changes to apply updates to your region's bank account. And some changes like address updates may require verification via email or text code. And that's it. That's how you can update personal information in your region's bank account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.